Most people avoid mock tests because they are scared of bad scores. But that's exactly why you need them. Why is it that some of the students barely study and still top their exams while others, even after studying for 15 to 18 hours, they still fail? Like, is there any hidden formula they are using? The answer is yes, there is a hidden formula, and today in this video, I'm going to reveal those secret study tips that no one talks about. And by the way, these are not the basic study hard tips. These are real, psychology backed, game changing hacks that will rewire your brain for success. And if you watch it till the end, I guarantee you that this video will change the way you study forever. So let's start. Number 1, think 80 plus marks or nothing. I have seen most of the people study with the mindset of okay, I need to pass this exam. And guess what? They barely pass or fail. While toppers, they aggressively target 80 plus or even 90 plus. So even if they fall short, they land in the safe zone. And this is called the target expansion effect. The bigger you aim, the higher you land. So from now on, write this down. I am going to score 80 plus marks or nothing less. Visualize it, keep thinking about it, and believe in it. Number 2, use mock tests to fail before the exam. Yes, fail. Most people avoid mock tests because they are scared of bad scores. But that's exactly why you need them. Every mock test exposes your weak points. Instead of failing on the actual exam day, fail now and fix your mistakes. Do at least 5 mock tests before sitting in the real exam. And even the research proves that the students who take mock exams scores 20 to 30% higher than the students who don't. Number 3, study like your exam is tomorrow. Your brain goes into hyper focus mode under pressure, and that's why you must have noticed that the last minute studies always feel so effective. But here's the trick, fake the pressure every day. Every morning, tell yourself tomorrow is the exam of this particular chapter, and summarize the topics like it's revision, not the first time learning. Feel the urgency, it forces your brain to retain information faster and better. Number 4, make studying fun with smart self testing. See, memorization is not everything. Toppers, they don't just study, they test themselves constantly. After completing every topic, ask yourself, can you explain this to someone? If not, then revise it. Start using quizzes, MCQ challenges, question banks, mock test, of course. The point is, just turn it into a game where we cross each level and get happy. And for every wrong answer, fix that immediately. And you want to know a fun fact? Your brain remembers the mistakes better than the correct answers. That's why self testing is far better than rereading. Number 5, the science of visualization and affirmations. This one is real secret sauce, I'm telling you. If your mind doesn't believe that you deserve success, then you won't get it for sure. So, all you have to do is before studying, or while going to sleep, or even after waking up, you have to visualize yourself writing the exam confidently. That you know all the answers, you are presenting the paper in a very nice manner. And even I used to do it, and it worked out for me, so it would work out for you as well, I know. You have to feel the excitement of seeing 80 plus on your result sheet, and your mind will start making a way for it. Repeat affirmations. I'm smart, I'm prepared, I'm unstoppable, I'm well prepared, I'm gonna make it. This reprograms your subconscious mind to make it happen. And here's a science fact, your brain cannot tell the difference between real and imagined success. And that's why most of the CEOs, athletes, and toppers use this daily. So, what are you waiting for? Start using it from today onwards. Number 6, stop listening to failures. For real. I mean, your mindset is everything. If you keep listening to people who complain exams are tough, I can't do this is unfair, you will start believing it too, knowingly or unknowingly. So just stop doing it. Instead, do this. Firstly, follow toppers, successful students, and growth minded people. Surround yourself with positive people who push you to be better. And replace complaining with problem solving. Wanna know a fact? Your brain mirrors the mindset of the people you surround yourself with. So choose wisely. Okay, so here comes the final hack. Now that you have these secret tips, do not just watch this video and move on. Comment more if you want more study hacks. Drop your best study tip below in the comment section and share it with the people who need it the most. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content because in my upcoming videos, I'm going to drop even bigger secrets that no one have told you before. Your success starts now. Let's go.